Introducing SwiftText Translate Conversations app, an agent assistant in Zendesk that revolutionizes your ability to scale your team internationally without adding additional headcount or incurring training costs. As your business expands, it's evident that there will be increased expectations from your customers. In particular, providing support services in languages other than those native to your teams. The best support teams are those that can accurately understand an inquiry and respond in the same language as the customer. Without a tool, your team will likely be providing inconsistent and inaccurate responses, or perhaps none at all. This will lead to disappointed customers who expect more from your services. SwiftText Translate Conversations app will expand your support capabilities without incurring any additional staffing costs, increase time to first response and other response rates, boost overall productivity levels of your team, as well as increase both employee and customer satisfaction. Picture a customer who submits a complex support ticket to your team and receives the solution in a single reply in their native language. Your CSAT score will soar. The app is positioned exactly where your agents need it. With one click, the app detects the language and provides a flawless translation directly into the thread for your agents to review. When a solution is ready to send, your team can compose a usual response just as they would to a native speaker. This time, a single click on the Translate button in the toolbar converts the message back to the requester's language, enabling them to reply like in any other conversation. Additional options, such as forcing a specific language and disabling auto-translate, empowers your agents to work precisely as they wish. To provide you with greater control, there are 3 key settings that increase the flexibility of your translations. First, there's the glossary. This feature allows you to specify how particular terms and phrases, such as your company name or product features, are translated. Simply upload a CSV file containing your preferred translations, and the app will apply them to all outbound messages. Next, we have translation prompts. This enables you to fine-tune the translation process itself. By adding context like brand language, industry domain, and more, you'll ensure more accurate and relevant translations for your customers. Finally, you can now configure languages for individual team members. This means that you can indicate which languages your team understands, preventing unnecessary translations of inbound messages and reducing internal communication noise. For instance, if you speak French and Romanian, you can specify that those languages should not be translated for you or one of your team. Additionally, you can now generate usage reports to understand how frequently translations are occurring, providing valuable insights into the app's utilization.